Welcome members to today's lesson. Today we are going to see how we form the equation of a circle, the general equation of the circle. So here, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So we are going to consider a circle with radius r. You see it's radius r with center AB. It's centered at AB. Now, if I consider locus P, which is xy, I'm considering the point around the circumference of the circle. If I call it Px, and I draw from here to the center, it's r radius. You see, if this is the center AB, it means that the x coordinate here is A, and the y coordinate is B. If I consider this, the x coordinate is x, the y coordinate is y. Now, if I want to find this length, I will get this minus this, which will be giving me the length of this side. Then the length of this will be y minus b. I'll be adding this length. So from here, instead I'll be forming a right angle triangle. If I try to pull it out, like the way you see I'll be having a right angle triangle. Now, if I use Pythagoras theorem, it says if I square this and I square this, I'll be having the longest side squared. So from there, plus will be equal to r squared. And this remembers what we call the general equation of the circle with center at A, comma B, and radius R. Now, there are some examples. Form a circle with the following centers and radii. Now, the first they give us center 1, 2, and radius 2. From here, if you compare this and this, you see that our A here is 1, and our B is a 2. And our radius in this, but in this equation we want radius squared. Our radius squared will be giving me 4. So stating that circle, it will be now x a minus a, which is 1 squared, then plus y minus b squared equal to r squared, which is a 4. So that's the equation of the circle with this center and radius. This. When I come to number 2, I have negative 3 when radius is 4. From here I see that if I compare this center with this, you see that my A is negative 3 and my B is negative 3. My radius in this, I get radius squared. When I square this 2, I get 16. So my equation becomes now x, then minus A, which is minus 3. The whole square, then plus y minus b, but my b is minus 3 squared equal to r squared, which is 16. This time around minus, I get 1 plus 3 squared, then y plus also 3 squared equaling 16, and that will be the equation of the circle. Now when I come to this, still you see that here, if I compare, you see this is a comma b. My A here is 0, my B is negative 5. My radius squared, when I square this, I get 3. So from there, put in my equation, this is the equation, I have x minus a, but my A is 0, that means I have x squared plus y minus b, now will become a positive squared equaling to 3. And that will be the equation. So this one, the x coordinate of the center is 0. Now, find the centers. The next example is find the centers and radii of the following circles. The first circle they are giving us is this. Now this one we just need to compare with the general. If I compare with the general, which is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equal to r squared. You see that if I compare here, my A is 3, my A is 3, comma, my B is 2, And my r, if I can make a 9 with a square, add 3 squared, and you see that my r is 3. Or you get the square root. You see my r squared is equal to 9. You get the square root of this, your r will be 3. Therefore, my center becomes AB, or is our center is AB. My A is 3. Then this one is 2. Then the radius is 3. Now when I come to this, then I will compare. If I compare this with the x plus minus a squared plus y minus 3b squared equaling to r squared. You see, now this a is negative. You see that this one is the same as negative, negative 1. So if this is positive, it means that the value of a was a negative. So this is going to be a, it will be negative 1. Or else we just multiply the figure here with negative 1. That's what we've been doing. If this is negative 3, you get the value of a multiplied with negative 1. If it's negative 2 multiplied with negative 1, you get 2. So if this is positive 1 multiplied with negative 1, we'll be having a as negative 1. Multiply this with negative 1, your b becomes 3. And from here, you get a square root. So your r squared is equal to 3. If you get a square root, you want the radius. Your r becomes root 3. So my r is root 3. Therefore, my center is negative 1, 3. So from here, we start. We don't have a, we don't have a, we don't have b. We don't have a, we don't have b. Meaning that here, from here, my a is 0, my b is also 0, and my radius is 1. So the center is 0, 0. Radius is 1 unit. You can put units and so on. This one is also units. So that's it, members. Wait for the next lesson where I will see more deep into circles. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you the best.